Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the right engine mount on Volkswagen Sharan 1.9 TDI. The engine mount is located underneath the air filter housing. Before removing the engine mount, first we're going to remove the engine under tray so that we can hold the engine with the jack while we remove the right engine mount. Next, we're going to remove the air filter housing completely. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the air filter housing is removed, we have access to the engine mount. The engine mount is right there. First, there is a couple of bolts that we need to remove, but before removing the bolts, we're going to hold the engine with the jack while we remove the engine mount. Now I'll show you which bolts we need to remove. We need to remove those bolts right there. And now I'm going to remove this metal plate holding the engine mount, and the engine mount is actually underneath. This is the engine mount right there. It's held by 3 bolts, which are T50 Torx. When we remove those 3 bolts, we can take out the engine mount. And that's the engine mount out. We can see this engine mount is in a really bad condition. Look at it, it's very bad condition. Now in order to replace the engine mount, there is a bolt underneath, and not actually underneath, that we need to remove, and then remove the old engine mount and replace it with a new one. That's the new engine mount right there. We can see it's exactly the same. So now we're going to remove the nut and replace the old engine mount with the new one. Next, we're going to put the new engine mount back on the car. This is the other part of the engine mount, which we're going to put it back in place right there. And now we're going to put on the metal plate and put the bolts holding the metal plate to the engine and to the engine mount. Next, we're going to tighten the bolts, and then we're going to assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.